Benchmarks can be super easy or super hard. Let's make them easy. The way I do it is I do it with a 4-step process. I do it through acquisition, fluency, maintenance, and generalization. I actually use this when I develop goals on IEPs, when I look at benchmarks for progress, when I am teaching anything, whether I'm teaching math or I'm teaching, how to play soccer. It's where do you start and where do I want to get you to? So acquisition being the very beginning. Have you even learned these skills? Have we ever even taught these skills? Someone over here said something about respect. It's really easy to say to a child, that's disrespectful, but then you have to ask yourself, have I ever really taught them what respect is in this building? Not what you're going to do at home, not what you're going to do down at, the boys club, girls club, whatever, but how we do it here. And the only time I can ever call you or call you out on being disrespectful is if I've done that. But then the next section I have to say is, how do I do it? What are the words I use? That's your defined values. Then I say, well, where is this child in learning what respect or responsibility or perseverance or integrity really is? Well, the initial introduction, have we even taught it to them? If we haven't, then I've got no right saying to a child, that's disrespectful, right? Because they're at acquisition stage. They haven't been taught. So acquisition, fluency, they've been taught the skill and they can demonstrate it with a lot of help. So they're becoming a little fluent. This is just like reading or any other subject area. I've been taught what it means to have responsibility in my school at Tier 1. I can use it, I can demonstrate it, but I need a fair amount of assistance still. And once I get you there, I look at the maintenance stage. I've acquired the skill, I can demonstrate how to do it on my own with help, and I can demonstrate fluency with little or no assistance over time. See, so now I'm getting somewhere. And then, of course, the fourth thing is generalization. I've been taught the skill, I've maintained it long enough, I'm fluent in it, I don't need help, and I use it wherever and whenever I'm doing anything in the building.